In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete a website using hPanel. Whether you're looking to remove an outdated site or simply clear out some digital space, we're here to guide you through this process step by step. So let's dive right in and make sure everything is as smooth as possible. First, you'll need to log into your hPanel account. Once you've successfully entered your credentials, you'll find yourself on the homepage. From here, look for the Websites section. This is where all your hosted domains and subdomains are listed. Locating the domain or subdomain that hosts your WordPress site is your next goal. Take a moment to identify it correctly. Perhaps it's a site you've outgrown or one that no longer serves its purpose. Either way, finding the correct domain is crucial before we proceed. Once you've pinpointed the domain or subdomain you want to remove, direct your attention to the right, where you'll notice an icon with 3 dots, often referred to as the menu or More Options button. Click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu. Among the options, you'll see Delete. Go ahead and select this option. Now, a warning pop-up will appear. This is a crucial step, as it ensures you really mean to delete the site. The system wants to make sure that you've carefully considered your decision because this action cannot be undone. In this pop-up, there will be several checkboxes. The first one you'll see confirms the deletion of all files related to the website. It's like wiping off everything related to the site from the server, both seen and hidden files. The next checkbox refers to the database. If your site was using a database for storing and retrieving data, checking this will ensure that all those tables are removed along with their entries. Without this, some remnants of your site might still linger on the server, and we want to ensure a clean sweep. Lastly, the pop-up will ask you to confirm the deletion of any associated email accounts. If you've set up custom email addresses linked to this domain and they're no longer necessary, make sure this box is checked. However, if there are essential email accounts, you might want to back up those emails or set up a redirect before removing them. Once you've confirmed all these deletions by checking the respective boxes indicating your clear intent to delete, you can confidently click on the Delete button. This final step will permanently remove the website from your account. And there you have it. Your site, its files, database, and associated email accounts have been successfully deleted. Remember, this process is irreversible, so always double-check before you proceed. Thanks for watching, and until